All right, we're good.
Randy, you want to go for a walk? You want to go for a walk? Okay, sit. Okay, sit. 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 Sit! Go.
That he gets. She's way too excited. What's he doing?
It's like every other day we take you for a walk. Sit,
Chandler, go
relax,
for a walk. You go for a walk.
Can't put it on you. Right there.
Yeah, you got him.
Good boy. See you later, Dad.
See ya.